Hello girls, welcome to Sonam Beauty. Today I'm unboxing my order from Colourpop. This is Fortray Beauty. It's a sister brand of Colourpop for skincare. The bundle consists of 4 bottles and it's cruelty free and vegan. So let's see what we have inside. This is rose milk. It consists of argan milk, rose milk and oat milk. If you have dry skin, you should use it every day and it will leave your skin very soft. This mist will moisturize and give that radiant look. This daily face wash will wash away impurities and leave your skin clean, comfortable and fresh. Last but not the least, it's a cleansing oil which will instantly dissolve and remove all the makeup and impurities and can be used before the cleanser for double cleansing. And here we have this cute card from Colourpop. I also ordered this no filter concealer. It's a lightweight full coverage concealer and it will give you a natural matte finish. So there are also 2 other eyeshadow palettes which I ordered differently because they were not part of the Dream Big vault. One is Ooh La La palette and it consists of all the pink shades, and another one is Blowin Smoke which has all the black shades and dark shades. This is the most exciting part of this video. This is what I've been waiting for. It's the Dream Big Colourpop Monochromatic Palette Vault. This is Colourpop's first ever palette vault and it consists of the 6 best-selling 9-pan palettes and it's a limited edition kit. I love the packaging and the shadows are so pigmented. I think they're some of the best brightly formulated shadows I've ever used. So this Just My Luck consists of all the green shades, forest green, olive green, khaki olive, and the Blue Moon has baby blue, sky blue, icy blue. And this It's My Pleasure palette has matte cool lavender, metallic bright lavender, and a metallic berry violet colors. And this one's got bright red orange, peachy orange. Main Squeeze has matte red brown, red bronze, red plum. And Honey has got yellow brown and yellow gold colors. So yeah, this is pretty much what I've ordered. It consists of the mini skincare kit and the Dream Big Vault and my 2 separate eyeshadow palettes of pink and black shades and the 2 concealers. I personally love Colourpop because the colors are so pigmented and the palettes are so good. If you want to save some money, then you should definitely get this collection. Also, I'll be using the Ooh La La palette for my next makeup tutorial, so stay tuned. If you guys love this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching.